Effective project management involves defining the project scope, creating a project plan, allocating resources, tracking progress, effective collaboration, and managing competing priorities and constraints. Wrike is a top-tier project management software designed to automate project workflow, enhance data visualization, and optimize resource allocation. Its comprehensive system includes features like task automation, workflow management, and advanced resource allocation, which are essential for efficient project management. Wrike excels with features like customizable dashboards, real-time data access, and automatic task prioritization, which provide visibility across the entire project and teams. Its built-in collaboration tools facilitate proofing, approval, and asset sharing, while the resource management feature ensures that tasks are assigned efficiently. Additionally, Wrike's customizable customer request forms capture project data, automatically feeding it into workflows, saving time and improving accuracy. With advanced features like Gantt charts, project calendars, and time tracking, Wrike helps businesses stay on top of deadlines and project milestones. In this in-depth Wrike review, we're diving into the top benefits, standout features, pricing, and usability of the powerful project management tool. We'll explore how Wrike can transform your project management and automate workflows. Plus, we'll share real user comments and testimonials to give you a comprehensive view of the software. So, stick with us until the end of this video to uncover expert tips on leveraging Wrike to boost your conversion rates with ease. Also, don't forget to check the link in the description below to try Wrike for free, and also get access to Wrike's free unlimited project templates when you sign up. What does Wrike really do? Wrike is a powerful cloud-based project management platform designed to help businesses create a clear plan of action for their projects and automate their project workflows. With its structured approach using folders, projects, and tasks, Wrike enables seamless project tracking and collaboration for remote teams. Its auto-assignment feature based on task status ensures that projects stay on track, and its easy-to-use interface enhances teams' focus and productivity. Wrike's integration capabilities with tools like Salesforce, Dropbox, Slack, and Google Docs streamline workflows and eliminate the need for switching between multiple software for your projects. Its framework provides 360 degrees visibility, cross-departmental collaboration, and robust automation, empowering teams to focus on critical tasks, while Wrike manages deadlines, schedules, and reports with ease. Wrike adapts to any industry and team size. With specialized solutions like Wrike for Marketers, the platform offers tailored tools like proofing, approval workflows, project resource planning, cross-tagging, and high-powered risk prediction tools. Benefits and key features of Wrike. Some of the benefits and unique features of Wrike include: 1. Powerful Gantt charts for visual project tracking. Wrike's interactive Gantt charts provide a clear, zoomable view of tasks, dependencies, and project timelines. This visual clarity ensures that project managers can easily track project progress and ensure the projects stay on schedule. 2. Advanced task management and reporting. Wrike allows teams to assign, track, and prioritize tasks efficiently in one place. Its detailed reports further aid in decision-making, providing insights into team performance, resource allocation, and task completion. 3. Project and workflow automation. Wrike's automation engine streamlines repetitive and recurring tasks with custom rules, triggers, and actions. Wrike automates task management, allowing teams to focus on high-priority activities. 4. Resource management and project planning. Wrike excels in resource management with built-in tools that prioritize tasks, track progress, and optimize team performance. Its pre-made templates let teams hit the ground running, ensuring efficient resource allocation from the start. 5. Collaborative proofing. Wrike's proofing platform simplifies the creative approval process by allowing side-by-side file comparisons, version tracking, and external collaboration. This is especially beneficial for teams working with multiple stakeholders. 6. Customizable request forms and approvals. These forms automate project initiation by capturing essential information up front, streamlining the approval process, and ensuring that resources are allocated efficiently. 7. Cross-tagging for enhanced visibility. With Wrike's cross-tagging feature, you can seamlessly manage tasks across multiple workflows, projects, or teams. By cross-tagging identical tasks without duplicating them, Wrike provides better visibility and flexibility. 8. Highly customizable platform. From dashboards and workflows to request forms and automated processes, Wrike allows teams to create custom item types with its unlimited project templates that are offered for free when you sign up using the link in the description below. 9. Seamless integrations. Wrike supports more than 400 integrations with widely used tools such as Salesforce, Slack, Tableau, and GitHub. This connectivity enhances workflow continuity, allowing teams to collaborate efficiently without having to switch between multiple apps. Wrike's pricing and plans. Wrike offers a pricing model based on monthly and annual contracts. The 14-day free trial allows you to test the software's capabilities with limited features. The paid plans include the Team, Business, Enterprise, and Pinnacle plans. If you sign up using the link in the description below, you will get discount offers and free unlimited project templates and automation tools on all plans. Pros. Simplify task management by breaking down projects into actionable items. Easily visualize your project priorities, boost collaboration, and maintain control of your projects. Powerful collaboration and communication tools that enable teams to work together efficiently. Highly scalable, flexible, and adaptable project management tools for businesses of all sizes. Standard security protocols to protect user data and maintain privacy. Organize and share documents like business requirements, project notes, and content. Excellent customer support and live chat from real humans. Cons. You will need to sign up to Wrike using the link in the description below before you can access its unlimited project templates for free. In conclusion, Wrike stands out as the best project management software for businesses seeking a comprehensive tool to streamline their project workflows and enhance productivity. With its customizable project templates and powerful tools like Gantt charts, real-time updates, and automation, Wrike offers clear advantages in tracking project progress and managing tasks efficiently. Wrike's ability to automate workflows, manage resources, and integrate seamlessly with other essential tools makes it an indispensable asset for any business looking to save time and focus on high-impact tasks. You can check the link in the description below to try Wrike for free, with free access to task automation tools that will help manage your projects easily. If you enjoyed this Wrike review, kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future reviews.